This is Nothing Scares Lily, where people tell me about something that scared them. I'm Lily, and tonight I'm talking to Raj, who will tell us about strange sounds in his neighborhood. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Under. Strange. Neighbor. Scares.
Hi, Lily. Last night, I was in my room and I heard strange sounds from outside.
Strange sounds, is that all?
No, it started like a trumpet but got louder. It sounded like it was coming from my neighbor's yard. It sounded like it was coming from my neighbor's yard.
A trumpet sound in your neighborhood? Maybe someone was just playing music.
That's what I thought, but then I heard it again. It was closer, like right under my window.
Under your window? Sounds like a frog. Those are everywhere.
Frogs don't sound like trumpets, Lily. I got scared and started hiding under my blanket. I got scared and started hiding under my blanket.
Hiding under a blanket? That's not going to help much.
I know that now, but it felt safer at the time. Later, the sound stopped completely.
So you hid, the sound stopped, and that's your story? Not scary, just a frog, maybe a lost one. That's all for Nothing Scares Lily. See you next time, or not.